me's a mermaid and him is a merman.
Yeah, listen, okay. And Angel attack. If that should not hold on her mouth, shut up, Bradley.
Hey, I dropped your bag.
You mean serious, Angel? Are you running joke?
I'm running jokes, sweetheart. Italian is straight. I'm just joking around.
Italian, your positive says are straight, man.
Him straight. Him straight.
Cause you always run some little funny joke, you know.
I TikTok me the fun. What? Nessa?
Nessa can't help you. Nessa.
Ask Nessa know if he gay, but care about that.
Me a gay?
No.
Nessa.
Hold on,
Oh,
hold
Nessa know if you're gay and Nessa your best friend. Make it make sense.
Watch your D.
Wait no. When me end my live, my ask I come up on live.
But Italian is the live. Italian.
Nessa,
Yeah?
come closer to the live.
So that means say Nessa are your girlfriend and are your best friend then. Wait, that's your woman. I want 35 now. Una fuck man.
D, hold on 1 second, D. Nessa,
Different.
come to the live.
Yeah, you're with Angel.
Me a Italian na de.
Yeah.
Okay. Dujan,
No, sir.
Yeah.
me a Italian na de.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ask me.
D,
Yeah?
me a Italian na de.
Yes! Yes!
Italian.
What's funny character like?
Italian. Me a you na de.
Yeah. Me I say, why you have to choose to do D that? Suppose we ain't like D for true.
You can't let me for true because you're Nessa fuck. I want 33 now.
Nessa, me have for?
No.
Yes!
No, they're my best friend.
Not a blood clot. Best friend and best friend boil good soup.
No, Nessa never gonna do me that. Me and Nessa best friend. She never gonna do me that.
Well, me not like this a best friend something. I try. Me not like that best friend thing.
Before Nessa give me a
Phone a friend too best to me, right? Just so.
Oh, she give me woman.
Who give you a woman?
Nessa.
So how you feel separated like me and Nessa give you a woman? Make it make sense. What you say?
Just for both our fun, you know. So I say, yo, and I see our friend, man, I say, give me a eye. So I say, yo, best friend like you, you know. You know what I say? Italian,
tell you already say me toxic.
Okay.
Nah,
okay.
tell you again.
Oh, you like me?
Me toxic, yeah? You can't deal with you see my level of toxicity will drive you nuts.
So you like
I will
me?
fuck you up in real life.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, tell me that. Jive come at town called kill you with box. You never know say something bad in a real life.
Oh, do you remind me of me so when me did young?
Tell him. when we did art, you know, one trend is not kill.
Pussy King, what go on? Oh, you just took over my life, so.
Mr.
Pussy King, thanks. Barbie, thank you.
When Pussy King gave a while ago?
Give me some. He give me a nice, he give me a rosa.
Pussy King gave a rose a while ago?
Yeah, BFs.
Black him.
Why?
Black my husband want to be alive.
No, me not black you because you take my man, me I take back for you.
Yeah.
But a Pussy King take with me from Italian.
Well, me not care how it go. My man get take me, I have to text my one.
Pussy King, you know, look good, brother.
I take for take. Oh, Pussy King. Oh, God, you make me feel horny. Give me something else, baby.
A Pussy King I give you stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my phone, I need to make a call.